In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and edit your location settings in QuickBooks. It's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure everything is as clear as possible. So, whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the system with ease. To start, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all the features of QuickBooks, from invoicing to managing expenses. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll see the settings icon, often resembling a small gear. Click on these settings. This is crucial as it opens up a new set of options that allow you to customize your QuickBooks experience to better suit your business needs. Upon clicking Settings, look for the option labeled All Lists. You might wonder why this step is important. Well, QuickBooks organizes much of its data into lists, which makes it easier for you to manage different aspects of your business more efficiently. Clicking All Lists will take you to a page where you can see and interact with all your company's lists, including items, services, and of course, locations. Now, from the list view, you should see an option titled Locations. Click on this. The Locations feature in QuickBooks is invaluable for businesses that operate in multiple areas or have multiple outlets. It helps keep your financial records organized by allowing you to track and report income and expenses by location. This is particularly useful for generating detailed reports at the end of the month or the fiscal year. Once you're in the Locations section, you'll see a list of all the locations you currently have registered in QuickBooks. From here, you can click on any specific location to edit details or add a new location if you've expanded your business. Simply click New or Edit and fill in the information as required. Remember to save your changes to ensure that your adjustments take effect. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and edit your location settings in QuickBooks. This process not only helps maintain organized records, but also provides you with the tools to generate precise financial reports that reflect your business's performance across different locations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Have a great day and happy bookkeeping.